Everyone, I'm Priyanka Acharya from the Cohort of 2024 and I'm majoring in psychology and minoring in biology. My journey so far at Krea has been fabulous. It's amazing. It's like a roller coaster ride. And to begin with, I'm very much interested in sports psychology and sports management and managing sports events on campus. I am an exercise enthusiast and an international rhythmic gymnast, and Krea has helped me hone these skills. Moreover, I have been able to handle my sporting events on campus and managing my academic interests as well. Additionally, I'm also interested in digital marketing and content creation, and Krea has given me the opportunity by providing me with various courses that align to these interests. So, I am the sports representative of the sports club at Krea University, and I manage multitude of events starting from marathon to cycling rallies, and we are also coming up with Bold 2023. So, as the sports representative of the sports club at Krea University and a sports enthusiast, I will try my best to promote more sporting activities on campus for the incoming cohort and make it more exciting and interesting for students.